My name is Rebecca. I'm the Marine Biologist and Sustainability Coordinator here at Park Hyatt Maldives. Today I'm going to be introducing you to some of the flora and fauna found here on the Maldives Islands as part of our new series. In this episode I'm going to be talking to you about how our island has been formed.
The Maldives Islands are unique in their geography. They consist of about 1,200 coral islands, beautifully distributed over 90,000 square kilometres in the Indian Ocean. Strangely, we all have one particular creature to thank for creating this island paradise, the parrotfish. These fish chomp on the stony coral reefs to feed on the coral polyps. Then they excrete the waste sediment, aka the Maldives' famous white sand. So the next time you're sitting at the beach enjoying your drink, remember to spare a thought of thanks for the humble parrotfish.